Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we are going to see how to upload a web project to the GitHub. Okay, so this is a localhost simple PHP project that I have already made, and this is the preview, username and password. It is connected to a database, and after signing it will create a session of the user, and this is just for the preview. So this is the project that we're actually gonna upload to the GitHub. Okay, for that go to the directory of the project and click git bash here. So it is the command prompt of git. First step is to initialize the git in this folder. Git init. As you can see, it has created a hidden folder git. After that, git add. Make sure you add a space all. The third step is to commit the code. For that, git commit -m, which stands for the message PHP project. The code has been committed, and now create a new repository. Create this repository. Copy these 3 lines of code and paste it here. So it will push the code to the GitHub. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded our web project to the GitHub. Refresh this page, and yes, here is our project. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.